Hey guys, this is I don't know, it's a bit of an odd video today. I thought about this last night really. I was attending a film festival in Cardiff, which a film I shot was nominated, didn't win. But I had a dilemma, is that I thought it was going to be a good networking opportunity, and turned out it was okay. But I have not updated my business cards since I was in uni, so I didn't really want to turn up with these, and to be honest, I don't really want to get any more business cards from now on unless I absolutely have to. So I kind of figured out a new way of giving people your contact details or things like that, and even taking it a step further as well. And that is through the use of an app that allows you to make your own QR codes. It's called QR Code Maker, and all you do with it is you click add, you fill in what you want the title to be, and then once you do that, you click in it, and it asks you for a URL, or you can change URL to text, email address, phone number, emails, contacts, text info, things like that. And once you do that, you can create a full QR code image, like a JPEG, in your photos folder, or you can just leave it in a list down here, which is what I do. And so you just have people scan the QR code from their phone, because all phones have a built-in QR code reader now. You just put the camera up, point it at a QR code, and it'll read it. You don't need a QR code reader app anymore. And when you do that, it'll send them to your portfolio, your website, anything really. And the main thing I'd say this is useful for is for giving people an easy way to view your show reel or your portfolio more than anything. I mean, I've got a contact info one here, but with that, I don't know how often I would use that, because I just say people add me on Facebook more often than not. But when you want to show someone your show reel, you don't really want to be saying, hang on, let me bring up my phone, hang on, and then make them watch it on your phone. You just say, scan that, they do that, and they can take that away with them and watch it whenever they want, and same with the portfolio. So I don't know, I just thought that was a good idea. You know, I'm using this like this now. I doubt I'll be getting any replacement business cards unless I really need to, and to be honest, I'm not gonna get, I think I got 500 of these. I'm not even gonna get 50, I don't think. If I can, I'm just gonna get 50. It's a waste of money getting loads. I've still got more than, I think, 3/4 of that box left. It's ridiculous. Anyway, I'm just going to leave it there now, because I just thought that was a really good idea. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.